Alright guys, today we're going to learn what is called the order of operations, which is a set of steps that you're supposed to follow in order to simplify a mathematical expression. So you may have seen this before in the past. What we use is we use an acronym called Pemdas. And some of us recall this, and I personally remember this, with the saying, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Kind of goofy, but we're going to break that down and we're going to have a couple of example problems throughout these notes. So the P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses. So what you're looking for in problems is you're looking to locate either a set of parentheses, a set of brackets, or you're looking for some other type of grouping operation. Okay. Next, the E in PEMDAS represents exponents. Exponents are the tiny numbers that are above our regular base number. So what exactly does an exponent mean? Well, just as a little bit of a refresher, this means we are going to take 3 and multiply it by itself 2 times. So if I see 3 to the second power, that means I'm going to take 3 and multiply it by itself 2 times. One more example just to make sure we're all on the same page. If I see 4 to the 5th power, that means I'm going to take the number 4 and multiply it by itself 5 times. Now thankfully we're going to have a calculator to help us out with some of those bigger ones like that. Okay. Next, the M in PEMDAS stands for multiplication. And you guys are probably familiar with X representing multiplication, but in this class we're also going to see a dot. Next, the D in PEMDAS stands for division. And this is the typical sign that you're going to see, but we also use a bar here with a numerator and a denominator to represent division. We're going to see that a little bit later. The A in PEMDAS stands for addition. That's just a plus sign, easy enough. And then last but not least in PEMDAS we have an S, which stands for subtraction. Now what I want you guys to do in your notes is I want you to group together the M and the D, just like I did right here. I put a little bit of a circle around them. The reason that I put a circle around the M and the D is because multiplication and division actually occur at the same time. They have the same priority. Next, I want you to put a circle around the A and the S. Similarly, the A, the S, the addition, the subtraction actually occur at the same time. So, whenever you are working your order of operations, you are always going to go from left to right, and we are going to follow PEMDAS as our order.